It takes 2-hour drive from Cradle Mountain to Launceston. Don't miss out the chairlift if you have time. I recommend taking one way up and walking down, so you can see different views of the reserve. The chairlift is the longest single-span chairlift in the world. With the longest span being 308 meters, it travels at a slow leisurely speed, so you can fully enjoy the views and take as many photos as you like. Super close to the tree that your feet can almost touch it. Peacock is everywhere in the reserve. Not sure how this one went up to the rooftop. And here is a pair of peacock gonna fight. This is the end of the chairlift and you'll see more peacocks here. Look at these cute wallabies. They are not afraid of human at all. Now we are walking back to the entrance via another route. Turn left when you see this diverging path. This route is very easy to walk and it takes around 15 minutes to walk to Alexandra's Suspension Bridge. Alexandra's Suspension Bridge was opened in 1904. It was destroyed by the 1929 floods and underwent 2 reconstructions, one in 1934 and another in 2003. The lavender flowers are in full bloom in summer, so best months to come is between mid-December and early February. There is AUD $20 entrance fee. There is a cafe in the farm selling food. made with lavender flowers. You can try but don't put too high expectation. If you are looking to see striking orange-like encloaked boulders, you can also see them here, so you don't have to go all the way to the Bay of Fires. Ross is a historical but tiny town, so there are only a few restaurants, and this was the only one opened when I visited. The decoration inside is very antique. Dine in and feel the vibe if you have time. I ordered the vanilla slice and the scallop pie. The scallop pie is very delicious, out of my expectation. There are more than 5 scallops in the pie. It looks like a short track, but it's still a bit steep. Bring enough water and take some rest along the track. In the early 1800s, there were whalers and sealers working and living in the area. The whalers would set out in small boats from the shore to chase and harpoon passing whales before towing them back to shore to be butchered. Whenever this happened, the bay would turn red with blood, like red wine in a glass. So that's why it named as Wineglass Bay. They are little penguin, or called little blue penguin, because of their blue feathers on top of their body. They are the smallest of any of the world's penguin. Very timid, so please mind your steps and be quiet. Flashlight is not allowed as it will hurt their eyes.